channel. Today I will be showing you how to cook the most delicious Chatak duck curry with aloo. First, I will show you all of my ingredients. I have 2 hen ducks, aloo or potatoes, lala curry powder, Indi Madras curry powder, chicken cube, salt, garam masala, balafaya pepper, wirri peppers, onions, curry leaf, garlic, water, whole wirri peppers, and green onion. Add some of the water and we'll blend until smooth. Mix the masala. And this is ready. The oil is hot. I'm gonna add the cube. Now add the masala. And we'll let this bunja. The masala is finished bunjing. I'm going to add the duck. cover this and continue cooking. The duck has been cooking for 10 minutes now. So the duck has been cooking for 45 minutes now, and there's a lot of oil. So I'm going to dip out some of the oil and throw it out. Long ago, when you dip out the fat, you don't throw it out, you keep it, and you can cook baigan or squash with it, and it tastes really good because it have that duck flavor. Add boiling water. I'm going to cover and continue cooking. The duck has been cooking for 1 hour now. I'm going to add the aloo. Cover and continue cooking. The duck has been cooking for 2 hours now. I'm gonna add the curry peppers, and I'll just let these steam for 5 minutes, and then the curry will be done. The duck curry is finished cooking. Here's my delicious Chatak duck curry and aloo, served with rice and homemade pepper sauce. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.